Divide 528 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down these 2 and it is 22. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 528 divided by 3 is 176. So this much for today and thanks for watching.